If you are looking for a sure and proven way to make money online in 2023, in this video I will show you how you can make good money from PayPal. So watch the video carefully until the end. We are going to the exciting world of earning rewards on a platform that has a lot of offer you what you are looking for right now rewards. Page is the website we want to introduce you to if you go to a great opportunity to get PayPal cash codes with exchange. You earn points. This is where the real magic happens with this system. You can redeem PayPal cash codes from a little as $10 all the way up to a whopping $10, and you can do this every day. You have the potential to overcome these general limitations. Let us guide you through this incredible platform. The platform we are talking about, Swagbucks.com, is the ultimate destination for those who are looking to earn extra money through a variety of exciting ways. Our goal is to help you out by focusing on the fastest and most efficient ways to collect rewards. Take your time on this site. It's all about optimizing your experience. Let's kick things off with a great bonus. You will get a $10 bonus just for signing up. Yes, you heard that right. Create your own Swagbucks account by simply clicking a start confirmation box indicating your agreement to their terms and privacy policy. In the next step, you can sign in using your Google or Apple account for added convenience. If you prefer, you can select continue with email and continue to enter your email address and password on the button. Create account, click to enter your account. Your account is set up. Let's log in and explore the platform. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorial. The homepage greets you with plenty of opportunities, and while there are many activities that we aim to streamline, we want you to focus on the fastest and most profitable activities that will allow you to cash out those PayPal cash codes instantly. I will walk you through the steps to maximize your Swagbucks earnings to get started. Please go to the Discover section and select Discover Home. This will take you to a page where you can discover a wide range of Swagbucks offers and opportunities from trusted parents. Interestingly, there are offers available that can earn you thousands of points. In this treasure trove of opportunities to reward you with activities that can help you collect points. For example, you can participate in gaming activities if you enjoy spending time playing games. This is an ideal way to earn money while doing your favorite hobby. In addition, you can earn points by downloading, creating apps, participating in survey, and many offer options are almost unlimited. So feel free to explore and start earning these valuable points. Now let's dive into the strategy that allows you to earn passively even while you sleep. So we all know that time is precious and we are constantly signing up is logging to a site may not be possible. So how do you get others to help you earn free PayPal cash codes? Introduce the site. These people can be your family, friends, or even strangers, and we will show you how you can get to 1,000 people to click on your referral link and start earning money on the site for both of you. Whether you bring 10 people, 100 people, or even 1,000 people to your site, you will receive a substantial bonus of $300 per referral. This trip means that If you refer 10 people, you have collected 3,000 to earning potential, which each referral increase exponentially. Once your referrals start earning, you will receive 10% of their earnings, and you will also increase your passive income. So your role is to share your referral link, and we will give you a way to potentially attract thousands of people who click your link today to sign up and start earn money while helping your bottom line. It's a win-win situation that can significantly increase your ThoughtBox rewards. First, we are going to copy our referral link. Then we are going to go to Facebook and use the search bar to make money online. After doing that, click on the public groups option. It's important to choose public groups because in private groups you often have to request to join, which can reject you almost 24 hours or more. So we want to start earning right away. Not all groups are equally valuable, so they may have little activity even if it has a lot of members. So what you should look for is groups with at least 10 posts per day are amazing. Smaller groups can sometimes be more active and effective. After selection, we enter the group by liking the posts and sending comments and sending message to the people who showed interest. Identify the posts that get a lot of views to maximize your referral. A friendly message recommending this site as the best way to start making money. If you repeat this process just 10 times, they will probably sign up using your referral link, and it's almost guaranteed that 1,000 people from these groups of over 10,000 members click on it. So this approach is an effective way to get referrals and significantly increase your income.